Hey everyone, my channel subscribers, ICT and SMC students, and anyone interested in trading. I'm going to quickly review the EURUSD market. Last week, I gave you a top-down analysis from the monthly chart down to the 4-hour time frame. It helped me figure out different scenarios that could happen during NFP week. Most important scenario I discussed with you last week was expecting a bullish movement starting from one of the discount arrays on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. As you can see, it happened right during Wednesday's London session, which not only matched our analysis but also followed ICT rules for trading during NFP week. Before we dive into next week's analysis, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated with these videos. Without further ado, see you after the disclaimer. Last week, I mentioned that after this bullish move, I'll be waiting to see if the price will break with a displacement to start a new trend or if it will stay within a range. Reviewing this bullish move, we can see that it broke a swing high and has a fair value gap. Zooming out a bit, we can see that the price has been muddy near this low. This usually doesn't indicate that the recent bullish move is a start of a new trend, especially considering it didn't reach the recent intermediate term high. So, as I mentioned last week, it's important not to trust this low to hold because price can break it, offering the market at lower prices. However, that doesn't mean we should start looking for bearish trades. We might stay in a range-based consolidation for weeks before the price gives us a clear indication of a new trend. Applying my premium and discount arrays on the chart, here's my bias for the next week. If the price is at the discount half of this internal range on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I will look for a bullish move off of a 4-hour discount array, targeting an opposing premium array on the 1-hour chart. And if the price reaches this bearish order block first on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I will look for bearish trades targeting any internal range opposing discount array. Remember, either of these conditions must be within a kill zone time. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy studying.